Definitely something different for the girls. It's giving very much so frontal, but it's a closure. So don't play with me. Hey girl, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can already see from the title of today's video, we are about to get into this wig, baby. It's giving very much so reddish brown. Just call me Reddy Brown. No, y'all, but for real, this wig is so freaking cute. This is my first time trying a 5x5 closure wig. Yes, I said it. It's a closure. Don't play with her, but I hooked it up, and I want to show y'all how I hooked it up and how I did what I did. So if you are interested in finding out how I made this wig look like this, then make sure that you keep watching this video. I will have the links to this wig linked down below, even though this is not a sponsored video, but I want the girls to get the wig because it looks good, okay? And it was like, I don't know, like maybe $100 or maybe $150, something like that. But I didn't pay too much for this wig. It is 16 inches, so it's just giving very much so natural. I just threw some really cute little waves in it, and yeah, she's giving. So if you want to see how I styled this wig, then keep watching. So we are gonna go ahead and start getting this wig down. Since it is a closure, I'm not gonna do like a full ball cap method. I'm just gonna like spray down, probably push my edges back. I'll probably just spray down like this much. I think they said it's a 5x5, but I swear looking at this wig, it doesn't even look like a 5x5. Y'all tell me if it does or doesn't. Like, does that look like a 5x5? Also, I plucked the shit out of this wig. Like, I almost, well, I know for a fact that's a little bald spot right there. I don't know, or maybe it's right here. It's a bald spot. Maybe it's bald spots on both sides, but we're about to finesse it because that's what I do. I have barely any spray in here. I got a big black can of this. Ask me where it's at. I don't know. Ask my 13-year-old daughter. She stay in my shit and it's so annoying. So hopefully it's enough just to spray this down at least. Oh my god, it is barely any in here. So I'm probably gonna have to end up putting this wig down with my Got To Be gel. Okay, make sure this was in my drawer. She ain't got this one. Don't eat me up in my comments either. Because my hair is baby. I cannot believe I'm really on here like this. This is crazy. Okay, so that's probably good enough just like that. That's probably enough to cover 5x5. I hope so. So I'm gonna put this same makeup inside of the wig. This is a reddish brown wig. I think the camera, it looks like the camera is making it look, I don't know, more red than it really is. I feel like in person it's not so red, but it's a reddish brown 5x5 closure wig. So it does allow you a deep parting space because it goes back 5 inches. Most closures go back like 4. So you got the extra inch, and then it says 5x5. Maybe this is bigger than the standard closure. So yeah, that probably is. Look at baby girl with the bald spot. Like, I was plucking this while I was talking on the phone. So I don't know, y'all. We're about to see what we can do and try to finesse it, but sheesh. I didn't even like bleach the knots or anything on it because sometimes I feel like with colored wigs, you ain't gotta bleach the knots. Plus the knots really aren't that dark. It's not really that many knots on here for real. So the only thing I am gonna do to this wig is put some makeup inside of it. And that's it.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
To get my wigs flat, of course, I do use a wax stick. This one is the Sleek and Go Eben wax stick. I swear everything that I have is like getting messed up because I have a teenage daughter and she literally uses all my stuff. Look at this wax stick. Look what she did to it. A mess. But anyway, so I'm gonna go in and see. Yeah, I'll probably just start right there, honestly.
So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change.
Trick I could tell y'all when y'all do using y'all hot comb, I see a lot of girls take it and they just like comb straight through it. No, you need to be using the whole hot comb. So use the comb and then also use the butt part of it. So like I go like this, go in with it, and if y'all notice, y'all see me like go in and then I do this, right? That like helps it get flat. So that's how we do this.
Where she wanna be, call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get her the flea, keep it pee. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a bitty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get
so we have one side flat and one side not. Do y'all see the difference? Flat, not flat. So period. It's very important. Y'all don't be making y'all wigs flat, and I don't like that. I do not like that. So we're gonna do the same thing over to this side. So it's definitely down. Now I feel like that I put it too far back. Ooh. It's the forehead. But I don't really think it's too far back because I'm going to add some baby hair. So maybe that's what I'm missing. Let me chill out and put some baby hairs. Ooh, she's covering up that bald spot. So we are about to put some crimps in my hair. I feel like crimps will be really, really cute. And then after I do that, I'll figure out if I want to cut it or whatever I want to do. y'all, so now that we have all of the crimps and stuff in the hair, I feel like these are more like waves and not crimps. I don't know, but let's take off this. I've been having this on for like a few hours. Period. The girl is giving. The girl is giving. Oh, what was on here? I need to just do that. The girl is giving. I need to make sure this stays down, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. This time I'm gonna use my Style Factor Edge Control because I need something to keep these down. Like the Got To Be didn't do it. Fix this back. Just like that. And voila, we have it. The only thing is I could kind of like loosen these up some, but I'm about to get dressed and I don't want to, like, you know, ruin, I don't want to ruin the cramps in it. So, but yeah, y'all, I will leave the details to this wig down below in my description box. I did purchase this wig with my own money, so this is not a sponsored video. Okay, it ended up turning out really, really cute. Just got my little waves in it. Definitely something different for the girls. Definitely something different for the girls. It's giving very much so frontal, but it's a closure, so don't play with me. So yeah, I hope y'all did enjoy this video. Let me know if y'all like to see more hair videos from me, because girl, I'll post them. I'm gonna probably end up like flattening this down some. Like I said, I ain't combed it, but yeah, let me know if y'all want to see more videos from me like this, and I will post more videos like this. Make sure before you leave my channel that you are subscribed to my channel, because if you watch my videos and you're not subscribed, girl, what is you doing? Boy, what is you doing? So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also too, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, y'all, stay pretty.